If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Setting up the utilitent and folding it back. Setting up the utilitent. 1. In order to set up the tent, first unpack it from its bag and hold it while still folded. 2. Unfold the tent. Note that the tent pops out upon opening, and it is therefore recommended to have it unfolded in open space or where no people or objects may be affected. 3. Lay open the tent on the ground. 4. Using one hand, lift one of the corners of the tent up while keeping the bottom part of the corner close to the ground with the other hand. The tent will automatically secure itself to its open shape. 5. All you need to do at this stage is pick up the tent and place it where you wish. Note, if the ground conditions require use of the stakes or sandbags included in the bag, you should attach the ropes used with these before setting it up. Folding up the utilitent. You can fold your utilitent following a few simple steps. Please note that the simple technique ensures that no use of force is required at any stage. First, bring the side poles of the tent together and fold them toward each other. Second, lay the tent on the ground and stand next to its broader side. Third, take hold of the sides of the tent and kind of fold it in two. Fourth, after ensuring that the tent floor and the tent walls have been brought together, switch your hold of the tent in such a way as to turn it from a bottom grip to an upper one. Fifth, turn the tent inward, creating with no special effort 2 circles. Continuing the movement, put the part you are holding with your left hand onto the tent frame lying on the floor, and then put on it the second part. Sixth, place the tent in its carrier bag, ensuring that the side with the mosquito net goes in first to avoid damage that may be caused to it by the zip fastener. Seventh, well done. Brought to you by Green Elephant.
Hi, thank you for purchasing the pop-up pod from GigaTent. Taking down the pop-up pod is very simple. After you've removed the stakes from the ground, simply push the pop-up pod into itself, like such, so that it's folded. Next, you take the ends of the pop-up pod and bring them together, just like this. You'll now have a U shape. What you want to do next is take the bottom and push it into itself. You'll see now that there's a large loop on the bottom and 2 loops on the top. Put all the loops together and the pop-up pod is now folded. To put the pop-up pod back in the bag, simply insert like that and zip it shut.